Welcome to Outlaw Edge. Kind of chilly this morning. We're in northern Minnesota, and we are with the Big Ideas race car trailer, I guess you'd call it. And I'll flip it around and show you what we're doing. We're teaching classes today. So this is where we're at today. I'll take you guys in and show you the classroom. And Heidi's doing the cat excavator.
Hi. I'll step out of the way. That's the star of the show.
This is the cat excavator setup. It's a virtual class that you take to teach you how to use an excavator. And you know, it kind of looks like a cartoon here, but when you put this Oculus on the headset, and then you got all your controls here, hand controls and foot controls, it's just like being in a real cat, you know, setup or whatever. So this is my classroom here that I'm teaching today, and this is the paint shop. And you got a car fender here, and it's to teach the kids how to spray the patterns with the spray gun. And this is an actual real spray gun. This is a SATA spray gun, and it's set up with air and everything, but it sprays no paint. It's virtual, and you have an Oculus or a headset that you put on, and you actually step into a paint booth, and it feels just like you're in a real paint booth. You have the wind and the air and the sound, and just, it's amazing. I just gotta be careful not to trip over cords, but really trick setup. And then this is my other classroom here. I teach this one also, and then Tim is doing this today, and Heidi's doing the cat. This is Tim here, and then this is all sponsored by Miller, and this is the welding class, and there's MIG, TIG, ARC. And what it is you put a welding helmet on, which has an Oculus and sound and all that, and you hear the sparks and everything. And this would be a piece of metal, and this is a piece of metal. And these two pieces of steel here, you'd be welding right here. So this, when you put that headset on, it actually, you know, when you're looking at the screen, I can watch them, or Tim can watch them when they're welding. And inside the helmet, they see this, but it actually looks like a piece of steel with sparks flying off of it and everything else. And then this is new here, the TV that's on the wall. This is really trick, so the kids can, you know, watch what's going on or whatever. Really trick setup. And then inside the building, Andrew's in there right now with the other virtual setup, which is oil changes and all kinds of different stuff. Really cool trick classes and everything. It's just totally badass. And then you got Goofball here. You gonna say something?
I'm gonna go get an energy drink.
Oh my
Yay,
gosh.
Momsters.
Will you go pee for me?
Yes, anytime. Anything for you, my love.
But anyways, I wanted to show you guys the classrooms, and like I said, I'll be teaching in the body shop today, and this is where I'll be at all day. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Later. I got your bad weld on film.
Yeah, that's documented. That's ugly.
That's all right. Every time I come in here, it's like I'll mess around with it for 5 or 10 minutes and then get it good, you know? Just like being in a real welding shop, so.
Well, it takes that, right?
Yeah, practice. But yeah, like when you're welding right here, it looks so, the virtual reality stuff is just super realistic, you know, as you're welding. It's way warmer inside.
It's cold outside.
Yes, it is. Is this one of your sweatshirts you made?
Yeah.
That's cool. Hell yeah. Yeah, this one's very realistic though, like the cab shakes, and you got the sounds.
How awesome I am?
Yeah, you guys will laugh. It's funny.
Shut up. I'm pretty dang good at it. Well, I'm not gonna put the lip witch thing on it because I'm really bad when I wear that.
Well, that's the thing, is you can wear the Oculus and it's really realistic. Really realistic. Is that a word?
Yeah.
But this is what we could watch them as they're, you know, as the kids are
Where's
doing
the
the
ball?
class. So.
Where's the ball? I'm supposed to have a ball. Curl. Oh.
To the right.
It's telling me to do things like curl the bucket in.
Okay.
I would be fired right now for doing
You
this.
can't even curl a bucket.
Shut your face. I haven't even tried. Look at that badassery. I mean, outstandingness. Oh, look, swing right.
She does this. She talks the whole time when she's doing this.
Yeah.
So it has little
Targets
and stuff that you have to do to teach the kids how to drive forward, how to turn right, you know, everything else with the excavator. So you can see the ball there. So, and then she's got to get that into the bucket. There you go. So she got it. Little tests like that, and then pretty soon it'll have you do a
There'll be
whole
another
course
one.
digging dirt and dumping dirt in the trucks and everything else. Pretty trick setup. So right now he's in virtual reality. He's painting this, and this is what I could watch him and make sure he's, you know. And this is all the schematics for the screen right here, so I could tell him what he's doing wrong or what he's doing right or whatever, and checking his work. So you want to be a little bit closer so that laser's in green, okay? There you go. See how it just changed? And so he's actually, you know, just standing here painting, but he doesn't realize that I can see exactly what he sees too. So it's pretty trick. So right now he's welding in virtual. That's his weld. So it's pretty trick.
Dang, that's a.
So right now he's painting blue on this frame, and it shows so that he can. So, you know, obviously he's not looking at anything here. We can't see anything, but he's got virtual on, so it's showing him what he's painting right now. And we're looking at the screen to just, you know, check his job that he's doing or whatever. It's pretty cool. So this one right now, he's filming in an industrial paint booth, and he's painting a big piece 20 by 20 foot. And he's painting it on the ceiling. So, you know, obviously we can't see him painting anything because it's virtual, but that's what he's doing right now. He's got the Oculus on, and he can hear, he's got the earpieces in, so he can hear and see and everything inside the paint booth, and there's actually wind inside there and everything. So, I mean, it's a trip. It's just like being inside a real paint booth. And that's what he's doing, is he's painting that piece right now. And then, like I said, I can watch him to make sure he's holding the gun close enough or far enough away or whatever. So like right now he's too far, so it's red. And then when he gets closer, it's green. And then he's spraying the paint out. And then I could check everything to see, you know, if he's doing a good job, if he's using too much paint or not enough paint or whatever. So it's pretty cool.